Hello to all my friends out there. So I bought a little stuff today, like the incense for the holidays. And now I want to get some of my cheap recipes out there. I have a lot of new followers, a lot. So I'm making some eggs. I think I bought these eggs at Dollar Tree. $8 for $1. And then I fried some sausage. What did I do with that? Oh, here it is. Dollar Tree, $8 for $1. So that's going to be dinner. And I was excited because today I went to the Himalaya shop and I found this margarine and it's 89 cents. And I thought, oh, good, I'm going to make cookies. You can see a few of my cookies back there. This margarine looks good and it's 89 cents. And it's a nice big pound package. And I thought, I'm going to try it. It looks good. All right, so now I want to make some sausage gravy. So what I made to go with my sausage gravy was a loaf of bread. And this is a really easy bread recipe, and it's going to taste good with some gravy on it. And I want to get my recipe out there again. Now for if you go and you're going to buy biscuits, it's going to be $5 for $1. That's not super cheap. So, you know. I bought two kinds. So I bought four packages of sausage. As I eat my bread down, I will be packing my freezer full of margarine. I like this margarine. It's very pleasant. And sausage, meat, cheese, margarine. You know, I want to encourage you guys to stockpile some food. Not expensive food, but so I have 50 cents worth of sausage over there, and I have everything in my stockpile to make bread. This is my favorite flour, in spite of the fact I had a bit of a problem finding it there for a while. But now you know that it's Christmas time. Vaughn's always has a good deal on flour at Christmas time. I think I bought about 20 pounds of flour from Dollar Tree as well. Gravy is food, and this is one of these things. This is why you're going to need milk. If you have babies, you can feed your babies potatoes and gravy. That's what they did in the day, back in the olden days. What if you don't have any baby food, you know? They're kind of expensive on some of that baby food, and no telling what's in it. I used to feed it to my baby, though, back in the day. I don't know if I would still do it, you know, now. Maybe, I don't know. I don't have any babies. It depends if I thought it looked good, maybe. Okay, so now I want to use up some of these were left from my creamers. I had some left in the can, so I mixed up half water. I use bottled water and half evaporated milk. And that's one thing that's really good to stockpile, because if you can't get everything you're used to at the store, and believe me, if you have evaporated milk in your stockpile, you will be so glad. So glad. You do not want to run out of milk. You really don't want to do that. Here's the Thumbprint cookies I made. Really easy to make. I'm going to give you guys a recipe in a minute. I like my gravy a little bit on the thin side, but you can make it as thick as you want it. The brain only knows two things, fat and sugar. I think that's why people are so overweight. They're not getting the nourishment that they really need. Okay, so now, here's the bread I made. This is some good bread, easy to make too. So if you can locate good butter and good margarine, reasonable, and stock your freezer full of it so that there's no chance of running out, none. They also have some good looking cheese. I bought some of their cheese, I think about a week ago. I don't need cheese right now, but they have 5-pound packages of cheese. And I thought, ooh, my tripod is the 666. Trying to ruin my videos. And it almost did too. I find this bread or this margarine to be rather tasty. I already ate a couple of my cookies. These are good. $0.99 only. I stockpile jam because if you ever start getting low on food, you can use your jam like fruit in a pinch. Look at my delicious gravy. It's gonna taste good on my homemade bread. I'm telling you guys, it's tasty. Okay, now, I think my eggs are almost done. Somebody asked me where I bought 2 more of these, 99-cent only. Those are nice to have around Christmas time. I'm going to post these recipes on Twitter. I put some good videos on there for you guys to see. Look, my cookies look just like the picture. All you need is a 1/2 cup butter, or I use margarine, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 large egg yolk. The Dollar Tree eggs are kind of small, so I just use 1 egg. A teaspoon of vanilla. I just use any old kind of vanilla. 1 cup all-purpose flour. I sifted it. 1/8 teaspoon salt, and then I use any kind of jam I have. I find orange marmalade to be very pleasant. And now let me give you my bread recipe. This is the good one for the stockpile because you don't need much ingredients. What I did is I heated the water in the microwave. I think the reason this never fails is because of the tablespoon of sugar. I put the tablespoon of sugar in the hot water and I let it set until the water was like a warm bath, and then I added the dry active yeast that I bought at Smart and Final. I buy the big ones, and then I let the yeast activate until it was foamy on the top. I stirred a little salt in because I can't imagine bread without salt, but this one doesn't call for salt. Then I stirred the flour in little by little until I created a soft dough. Then I kneaded the dough and I put it in a pan, greased, and then I just let it rise one time. Here's the yeast. I usually stockpile 2 or 3 of these. So this is a cheap meal, you guys, but a good meal. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.